Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is very interesting and harsh reality of today's engineering admission as well as engineering colleges courses which they are offering, right? So if you see the price of engineering college degree or engineering degree has changed completely. In 2015, right? In 2015, just 10 to 11 years back, a 4-year BTech in computer science degree, right, from any mid-tier private engineering college would typically costed around 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs. So within maximum to maximum 8 lakhs, you were completing all your education, right? Or and some colleges 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs in that range. But if you see today in 2026, the same degree at same or private college is minimum costing you 14 lakhs to 20 lakhs, and I'm just talking about the normal fees, not the hostel fees. And if you put some towards some premium private universities, they with hostel infrastructure, everything, it will be in the range of 25 to 30 lakhs. So within 10 years, it has become very costly for the parents. And for the middle class families, engineering has been always more than just a degree. So it has been always thought that after becoming engineering there will be a financial security for the boy and the girl, right? But rising cost has changed the calculation now. And obviously, if a student spends around 15 lakhs or more on an engineering degree, the family will naturally expect the course to provide the necessary skills to compete in the changing job market with the newer technology area. But the challenge is the fees has only increased, but there is not much transformation in the learning outcomes or the courses what they offer today are still behind the industry, and in most of the average college it is below average course. So just to give an example, like if you see the most recent interviews, right, interviewers expect different type of cloud knowledge or different like cloud deployment knowledge, git workflows, docker, CI/CD, but these type of courses are still not heavy in the college curriculum or in the college course. They are still teaching the basic Java programming, SQL, and most of the non-autonomous college or the lower end colleges are still teaching the basic courses which are not sufficient in this era. So just an example, a student who is spending 16.5 lakhs rupees towards his total education, they are now enrolling for the online boot camp, online courses additionally. For example, an additional 70,000 rupees or 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees in that way to get a 6 months learning path, right, where they actually learn what has been asked. So it is feeling by parents that they are paying twice the fees, right? And in most of which you are watching this video also, they are going to enroll for programs like this. For example, IIT Madras has 4-year Bachelor of Science BS degree in data science and application, and this is online course. Any graduate from any college, engineering college, can apply for this, and in fact more than 36,000 students are currently studying in this program. So what is the meaning of doing engineering when you have to pay additionally for such programs? So it is very important to choose the correct engineering college with have a large variety of electives, placements, good curriculum, etc., to get great jobs.
So if any student or parents are looking for getting the right guidance for selecting the right college, right course based on their preferences, so if you want to avail this personalized counseling services, basically choice filling order and will be provided, as well as 30 up to 30 minutes you can talk, basically connect with phone and WhatsApp this number. So to avail this service, you have to pay 2,000 rupees as scanning this code, and we can start the discussions.